Mediterranean agriculture is simply a form of agriculture found in Mediterranean type of climate. This agriculture is unique because it is a mixture of diverse bioculture activities. What is biodiverse? Diverse bioculture activities. The both animal husbandry and crop farming known as bioculture. The from food crops production to cultivation of planted crops like olives, figs and date to the farming of citrus fruit and vegetables, Mediterranean agriculture has it all. Wheat is the most important food crops grown in this region. Now we will see locations of Mediterranean agriculture. So there are 5 major regions in the world having Mediterranean type of agriculture, which are as follows. The first one is the Mediterranean Basin: France, Spain, Italy, Algeria, Morocco, Turkey, Tunisia, Israel, North Nile Valley. That means all the regions around Mediterranean Sea. Second one is California in USA. Third one, Central Chile. Fourth one, southern part of South Africa. And the last one is Lower Murray-Darling Basin of South Australia. Now we will see the characteristic of Mediterranean agriculture. The geographical condition of Mediterranean agriculture is distinguished by erratic rainfall, mild temperatures, irregular topography, and nearness to the large water bodies. Farming is very intensive, highly specialized, varied types of crop is raised. Third one, subsistence agriculture occurs along with commercial agriculture. Many crops such as wheat, barley and vegetables are raised for domestic consumptions, while others like citrus fruits, olives and grapes are mainly for export. The Mediterranean land are also known as orchard lands of the world. The 4 main aspects of Mediterranean agriculture are orchard farming, viticulture, cereal and vegetable cultivation, limited animal husbandry. Now we will see one by one in detail. So first one is orchard farming. The fruit culture is a traditional occupation of Mediterranean region due to the very special climatic feature. Here orchard farming also means fruit culture. The citrus fruit like oranges, lemons, grapes, etc., olives and figs are best adapted to Mediterranean type of climate. Olives and figs are indigenous to the Mediterranean region and can survive on thick calcareous soil with little precipitation. Precipitation means rainfall. The world's supplies of citrus fruits, olives and figs comes almost exclusively from this Mediterranean land. Viticulture. Viticulture or grape cultivation is a specialty of Mediterranean region. Best quality wines in the world with distinctive flavors are produced from high quality grapes in various countries of this region. The inferior grapes are dried into resins or curants and exported. Greece, Turkey and California are the major exporter of resins. Resins matlab kismis. Third one, cereal and vegetable cultivation. In land areas, cereal crops are most important and cultivated on about half of the total agricultural land. Wheat, especially hard winter wheat, is the principal food grains of this region and barley is grown in the poorer areas. Also a wide range of other food crops and green vegetables like bean, lentils, onion, tomato, carrots, sugar beet and all the leafy vegetables of warm latitude are grown. These vegetables are highly demanded in the North American and European market. And the last one is limited animal husbandry. The Mediterranean agriculture is also characterized by limited animal husbandry, which survives on grassland available here. In areas like Lombardy Plain in Italy, Ebro Basin, San Joaquin Valley of California, dairy farming is important. In mountain areas, the practice of transhumance means moving the cattle up to the mountain pasture in summer and returning them to the valley in winter is very common.